So once we have created our material map and we saved it, we can always go back to it and have our materials, and with these we can apply them to our model. So I want the heel to be leather, and what I can do is, as I've shown, click on the button in the column, in the material column, and click on the material I want, press OK, and it will color the same color we set here to distribute the materials the way that we intended them to be. So I'll just quickly apply a few materials just for to distribute better. Maybe this. Alright, so we have a nice distribution of all the materials that are inside our model. With these two arrows here, we can move the parts around. So I'm taking the heel, and as you can see, by moving this, I will invert and move the part around over or under the other different parts. So this will be important once we look at the percentages and the surface of the shoe model. Of course, we can move up and down, and we can also set different configurations of the material distribution. So for example, here I'm good with the where all these materials are, and I want to call it default material way 1 and save it. But then let's say I want a different configuration, so I will change the heel from this to this, and this I will change it to 6, maybe to this, to leather. So now I have inverted and changed some of the materials. I can, if I press this with the button with this name here, I will overwrite this material way. But if I rename it and call it 2 and save, I will have 2 different ways that will change the distribution of the material. Something else I can do here is to hide and show the different materials, the different parts, excuse me, which is something that is going to influence this area here, because when we click on this refresh button, we will see the area and the percentage of the surface of our model. So we see that leather, the material that I named, is prevalent with 46% and 20,000 square millimeters, and all the other parts follow. So when we change the material way and refresh, these will change. So if you have the same model but with different materials, that's a way you can apply it to the different configurations that you have. So you can keep one same model and check all the different configurations of the model.